I gotta redo this whole thing here, Jay. Dr. Booey Schwang. Right next to it. One more.